So hello guys, a quick market review. So I'm trying to analyze few pair that I'm going to be looking forward to actually trade by tomorrow. All right. So as you guys know, we do this almost every day or weekend sometimes. But so far so good. I want to look at just three pairs. All right. And one of those pairs is GBPJPY. Now I forgot to check this pair. I wish I did. I would have actually took this trade from here. From here, I would have this would have been my buy opportunity on this trade. This would have been my buy opportunity. This and my stop loss would have just be here. And like you guys know, we do 1 to 2. So trust me, this would have been like almost TP for me already. Almost TP for me already on this particular trade, but I did not check this pair today. So now why do I want to buy this trade? I told you guys something. It's not just me creating video and telling you guys I want to actually take a trade here. I want to actually carry you guys along by doing some breakdown on why I'm actually expecting to actually sell or buy this trade from here. So now, aside this high you guys see here, all right, if we notice how price was coming, we actually have a higher high at that point. Let me actually zoom this in so we can see what price was doing. This pair is actually bullish on the overall trend. All right, if you want to confirm that, you can come to the weekly time frame. Now if we look at it on the weekly time frame, you can see that the trend is up. So what I was actually waiting for is just the pullback we just experienced, and that is why I want to show you guys and why I'm interested in actually trying to buy this pair at this level. All right, now notice when we actually created this higher high, we have this shift of market structure around here, and at that point in time I was actually looking to buy to sell this trade, but I do not really have a good entry, so I missed out on the sell. All right, so I just have to kind of leave it, and that is why I did not even come to check it, because I have some trade already. This week we call out 3 trades and we hit tipping all 3 trades, which is amazing. So having that kind of win, I did not actually really bother. So we have this lower low, and what do we see price do? From this lower low here, if I could mark it, this is it. We see how price give us a lower high. All right, and if I want to mark that lower high, this is it. Now we drop to create a lower low, which was here. So I'm gonna mark that for you guys. All right, and price pull back to give us a lower high, which is this very level, and price for that trade down to give us a lower low. And remember, these are all internal structure. If you've not watched my video on market structure, please go and do that. All right, I will show you guys my YouTube channel where we have that video there, so you can go there and understand that all this whole movement is actually the internal structure, which are just the pullback. All right, and what do we see? We see how price created this lower high for us, which was not at a point up to this level. All right, so if I have to mark that, let me mark that, which is here. And what do we see? Price traded and give us another lower low. So now we see how price created this, came back and went and took out that high to give us a higher high. And that is why I say I missed out of this pullback, this one that happened today before this market. So I'm not even sure if this price is going to give me this to continue, but if I see that, I'll be glad. If not, when trade actually happen like this, what will normally happen most of the time is price just continue to trade up, break above this structure and come back for a pullback. All right, but I'm expecting maybe they might use this level for sweep of liquidity, so price may just trade and take it out and respect this low and go and break. So if I should see that happen, I will take. Now when we have a higher high, what were we supposed to expect? We are supposed to have what? A higher low. All right, because the whole trend has changed from the bearish to bullish by giving us a lower low and a higher high. Now when price pull back to give us this lower low, what are we actually going to be expecting? We should be expecting a higher high. So giving us this, we should be expecting price to create a higher high, then maybe pull back to any discount zone for us again and continue to go. All right, so that is what we should be expecting. So that is why I said I missed out of this trade, but I hope price just trade back to use this low as liquidity, and once that happens, I will be very happy. So this is what I'm actually expecting, and price is coming back again to come and take out this high, so give us a new higher high on the external structure. So that is on GBPJPY. So I'll be expecting a buy opportunity if price can give me this on this pair by tomorrow. And remember, all we do is once we have a trade on, it's set and forget. So another pair that I'm actually interested on also is this EURUSD. So I'm actually going to be looking for a buy opportunity. I actually marked this zone for some days now when I did our weekly market analysis, and I was expecting price to pull back all the way to this zone, and I posted that video on my YouTube channel, and if you've not seen it, go and watch it. All right, so what was I waiting for? I was waiting for the whole pullback to be complete, which means trading below the 50% of the Fibonacci. So if I put the Fib marking our higher high and our lower low, we can see that this is the 50 point, and price traded up to the 20-something%, which is a discount zone. All right, and that is why we see this sort of reaction. And what was I waiting for? I was actually just waiting for a discount zone to happen. All right, I was also waiting for a shift of market structure from this bearish internal structure to bullish internal structure. All right, and that is what happened today here. So we have a shift of market structure today because price was actually giving us on this internal structure. We changed structure here. After the higher high, we have a low that broke, and we have a lower high. All right, remember this was our higher high, which is the external structure, and price actually broke structure here because this low, we have this created a high, come back and broke structure to the upside. So we have that, and we have this, we have a lower low around this level, and price went to give us another lower high around this one here. So if you mark it, you can just see how this price was unable to go above that one. All right, and we traded below this low, giving us this lower low, giving us this little one just here. And what do price do? Price went back again to give us this lower high. All right, so if I should mark this for purpose of clarity, you can still mark this low. Price trade again below it, and we see how price give us this lower low, because I don't want to consider this one. Everything there just look like one single move for me. Lower low. All right, this very one here. So now after this pullback, we have this as our lower high here. And what do price do? Price gave us a lower low. Now notice price trade above our lower high to create a higher high for us, which is this level. Now after this higher high, what are we expecting? We are expecting a pullback to a premium zone. All right, so if I should take my Fib and measure from that, higher high to the lower low. I'm expecting pullback to be below 50%, and what do we see? Price has not gone below 50%. So this very low that is created, price will use it as liquidity. That means they will trade below it, go below the 50%. Maybe around this level, we're going to see some sort of change of character. All right, some form of reaction around this level, and if I have that happen, I'll definitely do what? Take that trade and do my 1 to 2 on this particular pair. All right, simply because we have the presence of this low. Before this low, I believe this low is protected. Price may not go below this low, because if price happens to go below this low, that means the downtrend will continue, because we must have break below this lower external structure to create a change of market direction. All right, so this is what I'm actually expecting on this pair, using this low as liquidity and trade it back to this breaker block that we have here, and that is going to be actually at a discount zone as well. And once I see that happen, I'm going to be taking this buy trade tomorrow. So guys, I don't want the video to be too long. Oh, let me put that back. I don't want the video to be too long. If you're watching my video for the first time, do well to subscribe. All right, subscribe, follow me, and like, share, join our free Telegram community, and we share free trading signal there. You'll be able to make some money from our signal, because currently, let me show you guys. So the group is always growing. All right, so you can see here. All right, so we have signal share here. I called this trade this evening, not too long, around this afternoon, Euro CHF, and I will show you the trade, how the trade is going. So we share all the signal here. You can see people making money. So do well to use the link and click it. The link will be in the description here on YouTube, so you can actually partake in our free signal community. And also, we are open for mentorship. Our mentorship is ongoing, and you can actually participate. Class will officially start 1st of November. So the early bird price for our mentorship is still open, and you can take advantage of the offer. So this is the trade. We'll call this today. All right, now the trade we took this week, they all hit take profit, which was GBPJPY. I don't know, let me just show you guys. So this one, we took it this afternoon around here, and you can see that we are in profit. So we are holding TP or SL. Remember, that's how we do it on this channel. Take profit or SL, no break even, no taking partial profit. So I'm the only person that is doing that at the moment in this industry here in my country, Nigeria. So if you see me for the first time, do well to follow me, and let me show you guys the trade we took this week. GBP SND. All right, and I wanted to actually hope I open the right pair. I don't know which of these. Okay, yeah, so this is it. We took this trade early this week. That was on Monday. Yeah, so we hit TP on this, and we also do GBP card. All right, so on our set and forget challenge, and you see that we hit CP on it as well. This is our 11th trade on the set and forget challenge. Then we also do GBPUSD. All right, GBPUSD, and it's actually our 10th trade, and you can see that we hit take profit on it as well. So far so good. On the challenge, we have been making good profits, and I've been able to turn a $1,000 account to $2,000 plus. So I hope maybe before the end of the challenge, I'll be able to get to $3,000 with the few trade setup that I'm expecting to actually take advantage of this week. So guys, if you get any value from our education, our video here on YouTube, do well to subscribe, follow, share, and like. So join our free Telegram community. The link will be in the description. And if you're interested in my mentorship, the fee for now is just $20. It's not expensive, and after 1st of October, the fee will go to $90. So you don't want to miss the early bird price. So contact me, and you can send me a message with this number on WhatsApp. in case you could not join the Telegram channel. But here is my WhatsApp number. Let me just share with you guys. So send me a message on WhatsApp that you are interested in the mentorship, and you can make payment, and I will give you access to the mentorship group. So thank you guys, and bye.